just walking down the beautiful streets of Macau, down Rua Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa. Ooh, going down Rua Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa. One damn beautiful street in Taipa village. Ooh, Taipa village. Damn beautiful Macau. Ooh, damn beautiful Macau. Damn beautiful Macau. Ooh, damn gorgeous little Macau. I'm just walking down Rua Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa, down Rua Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa. Ooh, down Rua Governador, Tamagnini, Barbosa. Yeah, going down Rua Tamagnini, Barbosa.
This is our target street straight ahead, but before we even get into it, this has the same name, but it's the plaza, but we're going to be going down the Hua. And yeah, it's quite photogenic, quite beautiful. There's some beautiful artwork in here too. Let me just kind of capture the Largo, but we're going to be going down the Hua. Yeah, look at how beautiful that is. Okay. So yeah, our street, there's a lot of cool other stuff to capture in here too. So we're going to be going down this street right here with all the big beautiful trees going towards the casinos. So stay tuned for that. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so let me just kind of capture some of this in here. Got some, even got like a little mountain hilltop up that way, and this beautiful temple right in here. And then you have some kind of Portuguese-ish colored pastel buildings. You got some beautiful artwork in here. Let's just get a little closer so you can see it properly. All of that. And that goes all the way down. Some nice trees, beautiful bonding trees. Our whole Target Street is going to have a lot of those trees as well. Plus you have these Fantas. So this area has these Fantas, which are kind of a historical landmark for, there's another one up there as well with a Coca-Cola. Let's give you a little context. Let me just kind of capture this Coca-Cola, but also kind of move that way so you can see what we're going to miss. And then we got a school right there too, Liceu Chinesa. Liceu is like Portuguese and Chinese classes. Okay, so let's go across the street. So here we go, right here, our Target Street, right here. Got a bus, so we're gonna go across before the bus comes. And that's our street with all those big, beautiful banyan trees everywhere. And we also have this nice kind of colonial architecture right here as well, pastel green. That's actually a museum, so a lot of people will go in and take a look at the museum right there. Okay, so we're gonna go this way. Restaurant, tourist information, banyan trees. This is relatively new. I think this is set up for Chinese New Year. So yeah, 2/17. So this is Tuesday is going to be Chinese New Year. So they're talking about the firecracker factory plus all these other tourist sites as well. So the tourists know where to go. Got a beautiful temple right in here. Yeah. Actively. Okay. So let's kind of take it all in. And we're going to be going down our target street. Got some more active incense. This used to have a lot more figurines, shrines. And we got some beautiful flowers right there as well. So let's go down. You can see some ships in the sidewalk. So we're gonna show you this intricate detail as well. Dragon. And this one too. So yeah, all the big beautiful banyan trees plus the Portuguese. Okay, let's try to capture straight on like that. Okay. Very photogenic street. Even with flowers as well. So we're gonna move across. This is Luso Chinesa, school for Portuguese and Chinese. Luso Chinesa. And we have some businesses down here, some restaurants, and plus you got this beautiful boulevard. And this goes all the way down to the Galaxy Casino, so we're gonna be walking all the way down and try to capture the beauty of this whole area as we do, which is predominantly these beautiful trees. And you can also capture the lighting in the background as well. So yeah, this one, there's a hot pot, a couple hot pot restaurants down in here. There's also gold shops down here as well. See from that angle. Okay. You can also live in here too. There's apartments, big, beautiful bay windows right there even. And we have the train. You can see the train going across the sky right now. It's there it is. So we're gonna be coming up here. Galaxy Casino. This is our Rua. And that's our street. Okay, so let's go up and we'll see the Year of the Horse references as well. And this beautiful kiosk. This is this used to be along the ocean. Always really nice to come in. We even have this giant rock as well. Let's see. Right there. And there's more of Taipa Village down this way. This is kind of more restaurants. And ours is more like a big, beautiful banyan tree area. There's Galaxy Casino. I guess we'll come back in there in a little bit. We'll just go this way first. So this is the train line that goes all the way through Taipa. And then you can also see Galaxy Casino, Venetian Casino, I think that's Parisian Casino, Galaxy, and the train line. And this used to all be on the ocean before, but they reclaimed the land and built the casinos. So Casino Strip, Cotai Strip is And yeah, this would have been at the waterfront, so they would have had like fish markets in here. Okay, there's the year of the horse references. And we'll come back in here. Then we're gonna end our video in a moment. This is just temporarily here, so this is 2026. And the year of the horse starts in a couple days. Right now it's the year of the snake. It's the lunar calendar, so it's 2026, but the snake is officially today until the Chinese New Year starts, and then it becomes the year of the horse. All right, so let's end it right there. Slice of Taipa village in Macau.